Hi Pioneers! My name is Josh, or also known as Cryptoshua. I've been in cryptocurrency for 8 years now, and 3 years akong sa trading, 2 years doon is non-profitable, and 1 year pa lang ako profitable. And ito yung mga step-by-step guide na gagawin ko if I will start from the beginning with 1,000 pesos only. Hindi mo kailangan ng 100,000 to start in trading. Well, in fact, kung ako ay magsisimula ulit ngayon at ang pera ko ay 1,000 pesos lang, ito yung mga step-by-step na gagawin ko. Well, para mag-grow ako in trading and ang money ko at the same time. No bluff, no hype. This is your step-by-step beginner blueprint. Now, panoorin mo to hanggang sa dulo dahil isasama ko rin kung saan ka pwedeng mag-practice for free at kung kailan ka dapat lumipat sa real money. Let's go! Now, we will talk about the number one beginner mindset mistake. Most beginners, they treat 1,000 pesos like 1 million kasi nga gusto nila na malaki agad yung kita in trading. So risk agad, leverage agad, and of course, gusto agad yung hype. Pero as I've mentioned, hindi ganon ang mindset ng isang profitable trader. While yung 1,000 mo, hindi yan para yumaman ka bukas. It's your tuition fee para sa market. Learn now, earn later. Ito ang step 1 na dapat mong gawin. Step 1, practice in demo trading account. So, isa si OKX sa pinaka-trusted exchange in the cryptocurrency industry. And si OKX din ay merong demo trading account. Meaning, pwede kang mag-practice dito. Pwede ka dito mag-trade ng virtual money. Pero, real-time ang galaw niya sa market. Dito lang naman, matututunan mo kung paano gumamit ng RSI, kung paano mag-entry at exit sa market. And at the same time, matututunan mo rin dito kung paano gumalaw or gumana ang RSI at MA or moving average. And of course, matututunan mo rin magbasa ng market without losing a single peso. This is perfect to build your system and to build your strategy. Now, install mo na yung OKX application sa phone mo or sa desktop mo and use the link in the comment section below para makakuha ka ng discounts and of course, to unlock all features. Now, the question is, kailan ka nga pala lilipat sa real money or real trading? Well, kapag consistent ka na sa demo trading for at least 2 weeks, you build your system, you build your strategy, and familiar ka na sa market. And then, go live. Pero, dahan-dahan lang. You start with the 100 pesos to 500 pesos only per trade para hindi masakit. And always, use risk management. Iwasan mo rin muna yung mga hype coins. And I suggest na pumunta ka lang doon sa top 10 coins or tokens na meron tayo. Like Solana. And of course, sabi nga nila na it all starts kung ano ang token na iti-trade mo. For example, ako na lang, I trade Solana as a day trader. Kasi, number 1, may volume or volatile ang market. Number 2, subok na. And of course, ang number 3, kabisado ko na yung dilaw ng market and it suit my trading system. And of course, as a cryptocurrency trader beginner, may 3 akong indicator para sa'yo. Sobrang dali lang, simple, pero it can generate you money. Number 1, RSI. So, ang RSI ay para to sa momentum ng market. Number 2, simple moving average or MA. Dito makikita natin ang direction. And of course, number 3, support and resistance. Huwag na huwag mong kakalimutan yan. That is for exit and entry point. Now, I want you to understand one thing. Less trade is more big wins. Hindi naman to yung pagiging empleyado na always kang present at always ka nakatutok sa market mas marami kang profit na makukuha. Lalo na kapag marami kang trades. It is all about kung paano mo matatimingan yung market and kung paano ka mag-execute in accordance sa system mo. Siya nga pala, may isa pa. Trading is a marathon. Hindi yan karera ha. Lagi mong tatandaan na hindi bukas agad-agad magiging milyonarya ka with your 1,000 pesos. The next thing is gusto kong pag-usapan ang learn over earn. Ito yung may compounding mindset ka dapat. Well, as I've mentioned kanina, kung ang mindset mo, yung 1,000 mo, or kung paano ang 1,000 mo, gagawin mong 1 million in 1 week, I just want to say quit trading for now and learn for now. Dahil hindi ka mananalo at talo ka agad. Pero kung ang mindset mo ay gagamitin ko tong 1K na to for discipline, perfect trading system and strategy, well, one thing is for sure, ikaw ang mananalo sa long run. Isipin mo na lang, trading is like going to the gym. Hindi lalaki ang katawan mo, hindi ka magbibuild ng muscle in just one day. It takes months, years, and decades. Pero kung may system ka, discipline, and of course, proper mindset, results will compound. Focus not in the profit, but in the mindset. Lagi mong tatandaan yan, na earn or learn more, win big. Now, recap muna tayo. Let's talk about the mindset. It's learn, not earn. Start with the demo trading. Nandiyan na sa comment section ang link below, and available naman yan for the phone users and for the desktop users. Go live or mag-start ka na mag-live trading kapag ready ka na, but dahan-dahan lang and small trading at a time. Gamitin mo yung mga simple tools katulad ng Google Sheets para i-track yung mga trades mo, mga journals, okay? And mga notes, your wins and losses, kung bakit ka natalo. This will allow you to grow in your trading journey. And of course, be patient and disciplined. The goal is to be a profitable trader, hindi mang-gamble. 1,000 pesos is a small for today. Maliit lang yan para sa araw na to. But if you learn anyway, you can grow it right away. Binibuild mo yung future mo, yourself, ikaw mismo, para kung kaya mo nang i-handle yung 1,000 pesos na yan, of course, sa mga susunod na araw, buwan at taon, you can handle mga 100,000, 1 million per trades, and such. Now, let me help you get there. Sama-sama tayong gagiling sa trading at magiging future profitable trader. Use the link dyan sa comment section below para mag-start ka na sa demo trading mo. And wag na wag mong kakalimutan, let's learn small, win big.